You gonna feed them? There you go. All right, here we go.
Hey, you want this one?
No, go ahead. Go ahead. You go ahead and feed them. I'm gonna record you. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Look at this. Eating right from the hands. Nice. They're gonna bite the finger though, right?
No.
No?
They don't have any teeth. They pick a little.
Okay. I can try one if you want.
Nope, here we go. Still filming?
Let me try it.
It's cold.
Oh wow! Wow! Look at that! It ate right from my hands. Right from my hands. That's crazy! Wow! Oh yeah.
Just a little bit.
Ooh, he took the whole thing.
Yeah, you gotta.
You gotta hold it. Okay, you go ahead. Go ahead. Gone. It's gone. Oh my God.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. What time do you come out?
I come about, I don't know, 3 times a week.
Oh yeah?
About 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock? Okay, that's good.
Just see if it's gonna be a good
I'll bring some food. So, all right, sounds good. Look at this.
Yeah, they're still waiting for more.
And the birds recognize you too, huh?
Yeah, I've been coming so long. They come.
Ah, so they recognize you. That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah, lots of times I can just hold my hand like this.
They'll just
Without food, and they'll come.
they'll come. Wow. Wow, look at that.
Come on.
Yeah, they'll just sit right here. Wow, amazing. Let me see if I can do that too. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, they just feel comfortable now.
Yeah, that's
Anymore.
yeah.
Now it's good. Before there's too many tourists, too many dogs. Now it's getting colder, better. Less people.
Yeah, very good. Very good. These animals are amazing. Amazing. Wow.
Where's food? Where's the food?
Amazing.
This is a juvenile under 2 years old. A lot of brown.